If you're committed to staying hydrated and using less plastic, chances are you've got a reusable water bottle close at hand. In a 3-year period, one reusable bottle could prevent over 1,000 plastic bottles from ending up as ocean waste. Besides helping the environment, reusable bottles come in all kinds of stylish options and different materials. Some even have a celebrity following. Of course, not all bottles are created equal. Plastic reusable bottles offer a cost-effective, break-resistant option. However, there is concern that any plastic, even BPA-free, can impact your health. If you want to avoid plastic altogether, glass options are easy to clean and won't pick up any odors if you want to put a non-water drink in the bottle. Stainless steel bottles are a hard-working choice that will keep going, even with a minor dent or two. These bottles are also more resistant to mold and bacteria. No matter which kind of reusable bottle you choose, regardless of price, these bottles are not meant to be used indefinitely. Sort through your collection and see if there are any telltale signs that mean it's time for an upgrade. Time to move on. Bottle lifespans depend on their material and how hard they have been used, especially if they are dropped frequently. Glass water bottles last several years with proper care and cleaning. Obviously, a broken glass bottle sends a clear signal that it needs to be replaced. Plastic bottles last about 1 year, according to Leanne Staff, Chief Operating Officer at the Cleaning Authority. Staff mentioned that the plastic starts to break down with time and use. If a plastic bottle is misshaped from being frozen or heated, it's time to say goodbye. Deep scratches or cracks in the bottle also mean game over. Those cracks can harbor hidden dangers. Cedrina Calder, MD, told Pop Sugar that a crack in the plastic increases the chances that bacteria can collect within the cracks and grow. Dr. Calder also suggests inspecting parts of the bottle that come in direct contact with your mouth. Any buildup that resists cleaning equals time for a new bottle. According to bottle manufacturer Cool, a stainless steel bottle lasts 12 years on average. If the bottle is rusting, due to not being premium grade stainless steel, then you should get rid of it. Recycling your bottle may be as simple as placing it in a bin for curbside collection. However, if it is stainless steel, you'll need to seek out a scrap metal yard. If you have multiple steel bottles, consider upcycling and create a ring toss game.